Guys, if you didn't get to see the Northern Lights last night, they're supposed to be out again tonight. So go out there, take a look. Also, if you look to the north and the sky is just dark or it's just black and you don't see anything, point your camera phone and take a couple of photos. It might actually see better than the human eye. We took a picture last night and our sky was like had a slight pink haze to it. But see the picture above? Like it didn't look that bright in person. And we had another family member try it and take a picture of kind of like the dark night sky where they couldn't see the lights. And their photo came back and there was pink and green lights. It was pretty cool. So check it out if you missed it last night.